Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate to you different types of references. So basically there are three different types of references: strong, weak, and soft. Strong references are we use generally. That is, object is initialized using new keyword and it is directly assigned to the reference. Another is a weak reference. uh, Weak reference are basically the references which are deleted immediately when the GC runs. It doesn't care about whether reference is exist for that object or not. And soft reference are basically when GC runs and there is no sufficient space available in a memory, then only objects are removed. So these are three types of references, and we need to understand it. Even though we in generally use strong reference, it is better to know weak reference and soft reference. So I have created a small demo that will help you to understand difference between these three. So here is a one class reference type which have these three variables, and I have defined get a method for these, and here I have defined three methods to create uh, reference. I have just created a reference for the string. Here you can see strong reference is a normal way to declare object and assign to the reference. But with the weak reference we define it like this: weak reference and of string, weak reference of string, and we initialize using new weak reference and pass the object to it. And then I have just assigned this to the member variable of class, and similarly I have done for the soft reference, right? And I just defined a print all method that will print the all the references. And you can notice one thing here. We need to call the reference dot get method to get actual value of the weak and soft reference. Here is a main driver code. So I have created one object of reference type, and then created a reference for these three different strings. And here I have printed all the references before running GC, and then I have invoked GC, and then I am printing all the references. I will just run this code. So here you can see before running GC. So there is a strong reference 10, 20, and 30, and after running GC, strong reference is still intact, weak reference is null, and soft reference is still intact. From here you can see weak references are immediately removed when GC runs, but soft reference is still present because there is a sufficient amount of memory still present in a RAM. That's why it is not removing the soft reference. But let's say if memory is not sufficient, then it will remove that also. So that was about the demonstration of the different types of references. I hope this video helpful for you, and if you have any question you can drop it in the comment section, and I will be happy to respond to you all. And thank you guys.